In this session, we will learn about strings. Strings are simply series of characters. Strings have to be enclosed in quotes. It can be either double quotes or single quotes. Both have same result. Declaring string is same as we declare an integer or float variable. You just have to assign the text in single or double quotes to a variable and it will be set to string. Here we have a variable name and we have assigned text Hamza to it. Text can be enclosed in single or double quotes, both have same results. These are the examples of few strings assigned to variables. Strings can be anything, single letter or word, or it can be sentence. It can also be a combination of numbers and letters. As you can see in the date example, as numbers are enclosed in quotes, so now they are part of string and they are treated as string by Python. Every character of string is at some particular index, starting from 0 to length of string. Here alphabet A in apple is on index 0 and P is on index 1 and so on for all alphabets in string. Here point to be noted is that index is also assigned to spaces in a string. In this example, after apple there is a space and its index is 5 and another space is on index 8, that is after is. There is also reverse ordering of index in Python, but it starts from -1 instead of 0. So for every index there is also a negative index. All these indexing is useful in many ways. I will discuss those in upcoming videos. Similarly, like numbers, every string has a memory location. So every letter of string occupies a block in memory location. In this example, I have assigned string Hamza to variable name. So alphabet H is stored in some random block of memory and alphabet A to another and so on for all the other alphabets. Now let's move to the code editor and write some string examples. Let's start by creating the first string. I will name it name. My name is Hamza. So I have created a string which has text my name is Hamza and I have assigned it to a variable name. To see that it is assigned to a variable name, we can just print this variable. I will simply print it, print variable name, and I will quickly run this. Here you can see in the output it printed the text of the string, that is my name is Hamza. So from this we know that this text my name is Hamza is assigned to the variable name. Now let's create another variable. We can name it date and assign a string to it. Suppose 27th January 1993. As you can see, it's a combination of numbers and alphabets. When we enclose this in double quotes, it becomes string. It's no more numbers or anything. It's just a part of a string. So this date 27 January 1993 is complete string, complete one string that is assigned to a variable date. So I will just print date here instead of name to see whether it is correctly done. I will quickly run it. And as you can see in the output, it is 27 January 1993. It printed the string date. String can be of any length. It can be short, of short length, or it can be of long length. So let's create another string. I will name it long string, and we can write some long text here. This is a long string and can be of any length. So just we can quickly print this long string, and I will run it. As you can see in the output window, it printed the complete long string. So now we can create some short string. In short string, I will just write a single alphabet, let's say A. So I will print this short string here. So as you can see in the output, it printed A. So string can be of any length of your choice. You can try playing with this strings and variables, and you can create your own strings and try printing those strings. So by practicing this will make your skills stronger. In the next video, I will be telling you about operators on strings. We can apply different operations on strings, and then we can use the indexing feature of this string. So let's see this in the next video.